Hello everyone, welcome to Mary Muffet's Guild. I volunteer as a science teacher at Mary Muffet's Guild. Today we are here to do simple and very interesting experiment that is called which solids dissolve in water. Today's experiment is very simple but hopefully fascinating for every young children. Today we are going to investigate which solid dissolves in water. When substance dissolve in water, we can't see it anymore but has to mix with the water to make a transparent liquid called solution. We call substance that dissolve in water called soluble. The best example for solubles are sugar, salt, jaggery, etc. The substance do not dissolve in water are called insolubles. The best example for insolubles are sand, flour are example for the insoluble substance. Okay, let us start the experiment now. Material is for experiment are all. Today we are taking all solids, that is rice and flour and talcum powder and sugar and salt. Along with these solids we need 5 glasses of water. 1 2 3 4 5 glasses of water. We are taking 5 solids and 5 glasses of water. Let's start from the sugar. First take 1 tablespoon of sugar and dissolve into the water. Let us see what will happen after 1 or 2 minutes. Here sugar slowly dissolve into the water. Now let us see with the salt. Here I am taking again 1 tablespoon of salt and dissolve into the water. Let us keep aside for 2 minutes. Let it dissolve into the water, and at last we will see which solid dissolve in the water. We'll find out. We'll investigate. And I'm taking 3rd glass of water, and here I am taking talcum powder. You can find here, if you dissolve into the water also, it's not going to melt into the water. Just we can see the thin layer of talcum powder on top of the water. Let it keep aside for 2 minutes. And we are going to take 4th glass of water, and this time we are taking rice. Let it keep it into the water and mix with the water. Here you can see the rice under the water. Now last glass of water we are taking. Here I am taking normal flour. Let us mix with the water. Here it's not mixing with the water. We can see small lumps over the water, and down part also you can see the lumps over here. Now let us investigate which solids dissolve in the water. First let's start with the sugar. Can you find the sugar over here? No, right? It's almost all melted into the water. This is the soluble. Sugar is the soluble. And coming to salt. Salt also fully it was dissolved into the water. it is also soluble. And coming to third one, talcum powder. Talcum powder, we can see white color layer on the top of the water. It's not soluble, it is insoluble. Talcum powder is insoluble. And coming to rice, see here down part of the glass you can find the rice over here. Rice also insoluble. And coming to flour, flour also you can see down some flour lumps, and in spoon also you can see flour lumps. Flour also insoluble. I hope children you all like this experiment. Thank you everyone. See you. Bye.